waterhole spots, and hopefully no one else is there. My whole day's off, it's been so windy. I think it's been blowing about 15 to 25 knots, so it's definitely not good boat weather, but it is a good excuse to go for a little four-wheel drive inland and go for a freshwater swim. Fortunately, none of my friends are coming today because they're all working as it's Thursday, so it'll just be myself. Hopefully nothing bad happens. Always tell someone where you're going when you're going by yourself. But yeah, where I'm going, it's a little bit of four-wheel driving. It's nothing hectic, but definitely can't get there in two-wheel drive. Oh, a train. Can be a little annoying when we have to wait for the trains to fully clear the crossing, because we're always so excited to get somewhere or just want to get home because we're so tired. And they do take 10 minutes to cross because they're 2 kilometers long. But I guess if you've never seen one, they are pretty cool. Sometimes even I'm still amazed. I've just made a little pit stop into this really cute little water hole. It's about 10-15 minutes away from where I'm going today, but I always love stopping in here because the train tracks are right by the water hole, and it's just a really cool place to watch them go by and sit back and relax and take in the scenery. I've never actually gone swimming here because it always looks really shallow and it's not always easy to get into, but it's quite dried up at the moment, so if I wanted to go swimming I could, but I'm not going to because it's a bit muddy and a bit yucky. But it is pretty, but swimming wise, no. But yeah, let's go on to our final destination for the day. That's pretty painful is full driving in it because it does have such a big lift. Being so, they had to stiffen up the suspension heaps. Whenever you go over the slightest bump, you quite literally get ejected out to Mars. But anywho, gets me where I want to go, so that's all that matters. Please be no one here. Please, 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 please. Hiya! Imagine if I accidentally just reversed my car in the water. And it's about 3-4 meters deep. That would not be good. Woohoo! We're here! Oh, I'm so happy I've got it all to myself. Perks of going on a weekday. Oh, it looks like it's dried up heat. I'm still yet to go camping here. Always come here like during the day, but I've never come here for camping. But there's a little fire pit for it. There is a rope swing here, but it's actually better to jump out of the trees, to be honest. Oh, I love this spot so much. It's one of my favourite spots here in Pilbara. I'm just going to have a little snack before I go swimming. I've just got some carrots and dip and some tuna. It's definitely not the most best tasting food. At the end of the day, it will fill the stomach, and that's all that matters. It's cold. Oh, I love listening to the birds. I'm gonna climb up a tree over there and jump out. It's so fun. Looks really high when you're up in the tree. I think it's only probably maybe 2.5-3 meters high. Oh, it's actually freezing. Ah! But it's so pretty. It's so cold. There is a march fly, and it just landed on my leg. Ah! Oh fuck! It's biting me. I'm gonna climb up this one. It's always so free here. I always feel like I'm gonna fall out. Ooh! Oh my god, every time I get up high, like my feet tingle. It's really weird. And I get butterflies. Woo! Oh my god. Always get such a big adrenaline rush. All right. Ah! Oh, I touched the bottom. Must be dried out a lot. Woo! How good. I will keep doing this all day until my body doesn't want to let me do it anymore. Not literally, but it's so much fun. I'm gonna head off home now. It was such a nice little Arvo swim, but I'm getting a little snackish again, and I've got a rodeo to pack for this weekend. I cannot contain my excitement. I've been counting down the weeks. I just have no idea what I'm in for, and I can't wait. We got to Pannawonica and we've packed the Swags Esky chairs, and now we just need to get our friend Billy. Pro Scamp is here. arrived in Pannawonica a few hours ago and we've set up our swags and tent, and then we've gone and checked out the rodeo, and it's pretty insane. I've never been before.
It's pretty
loose. It's pretty loose. I've never seen it before. They're just getting thrown around everywhere. And Billy has purchased herself a new Cobra.
Where do we meet?
She's a part of the club.
I'm now a cowgirl.
We're just gonna have a few more drinks and then just go back to the rodeo and
Eat our pizza.
eat pizza. Someone's cracking a whip.
I know how to whip. I actually know how to. The horse is going off. You got a big whip up for me.
Home from our hour and a half drive from Pannawonica. I can tell you the car trip coming home was a lot quieter than what it was going there. We're exhausted. I'm going to bed and I'm not leaving my bed until tomorrow morning. I honestly cannot believe I've never been to a rodeo. That was the coolest thing ever. So happy I finally got to go. I've been talking about it for probably 5 years, but I've always been on holidays. And then obviously last year, because of COVID, it got cancelled. I feel like I haven't lived until yesterday. If you've never been to a rodeo, you have to go. Put it on your bucket list. It was pretty wild to see people just get flung off bulls and horses like that. They are crazy, but not gonna lie, I actually really want to do it. I wonder if I can do it. If I can, I'm doing it next year. I'm going to the rodeo every single year until the day I die. Like, that was so cool. There were so many willy willies. Wait, I hope everyone calls them willy willies. You know, dust storms. Actually, I hope I don't have a weird name for it. That's a wrap for this week's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was such a cool experience for me. I 10 out of 10 recommend going to the Pannawonica rodeo or any rodeo. You will not regret it. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week for another episode.